Day 4 of creating a science fiction film. How about that? So, day 4. One of the things I get asked a lot on the kind of live training that I do is consistent characters. It's like being the bane of lots of people's creation because it's not perfect. There's lots of companies doing it, but it is a bit of a challenge. So we have Heygen, which is what surprised me about Heygen more than anything else is the amount of times they've come back, look like they're kind of dead in the water, and go from kind of behind to the forefront of everything. I think they're excellent at doing this. And again, I'm going to show something with you which is way beyond anyone else has done. Very cool. And a couple of things that they've kind of released. So let's go and have a little look. Now we are inside Heygen. Now I've talked about Heygen loads of times, but it just I think they just get it. You know, some AI companies I think struggle with who they are, and Heygen have really kind of nailed it from what they're trying to do and moving forward. So let's just quickly go through a little bit of the stuff they do. Should we go see all and you can see what they do? So we've got AI Studio, which basically creates the avatars and you can do loads of stuff. Generate video with PowerPoint, PDF. It's cool, isn't it? Video podcast they're doing now. Clone your voice. Translate a video. AI script generator. Community avatars. And then remove background and stuff like that. So let's go into the main part. So that's photo avatars that you can have, but video avatars, and wait until you 741 now. It's just crazy. And the difference with these is that a lot of these have already set their style and their position. So what it gives you is a very, very controlled avatar rather than kind of moving around and not looking very cool. I did this one before. Let me see if I can find that one again because that was absolutely, here we go. Show you this one, which is one of the older ones, not one of the new ones of the 500, but you can see how good it is.
Phil.ai has asked me to talk to you. AI avatars have taken a massive leap with the release of Avatar 3.0.
So believable.
It allows users to create fully customizable digital clones, different outfits, multiple poses, various camera angles, all in a matter of seconds. You can use this for marketing, media, and even AI video advertising. No more human errors, no need to rest. Your digital double can work around the clock. But there's a catch. The technology is still unsettling. Flat expressions, lifeless eyes, robotic gestures. It's improving fast, but not quite convincing yet. The real question, when this tech is flawless, how will you know if you're dealing with a person or just their perfect replica?
So good, isn't it? It is so good. So let's have a look at the other ones they've just brought in. So you've got professional, lifestyle, UGC, AI generated. So let's just look through these. Santa, that's the one I just done, which is Gala. Conrad, which I've seen in ads already. Jocelyn, Georgia, 20 different looks. So you can go into here and look, it's gonna be mad. Let's just show you what.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Heygen. Simply type your script to get started.
I think it's very clever to do this because it kind of cuts
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Heygen. Simply type your script to get started.
Now, there's lots of avatar generators out there. What I've found is some of them are kind of looking more AI than realistic, and the voices are a lot of the challenge. They kind of put them through, it feels like the Adobe podcast system that basically makes them so clear they seem unrealistic. This almost sounds like it's in a kind of room. You can hear that it's actually designed for that room and it sounds so much better. That's what I think. These are the most realistic on the
Welcome to the
market
new
right
era
now.
of video creation with Heygen. Simply type your script to get started.
It's so good. It's so good. So it is a cheap. It is a, I shouldn't say cheap, workaround, but they're great. They're absolutely superb. And now 500 just been added. So there's 741. So the chances are you're going to find something that you know is going to work for you. Let's try her. That one's I clicked. Okay, landscape. Yeah, and then you can create it in the portfolio.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with Heygen. Simply type your script to get
If that was
started.
on YouTube, I would not know. Really, I'm sure as you go on, but these are so good now. Let's try Max. Okay, Max, bit of
Welcome
fitness.
to the new era of video creation with Heygen. Simply type your script to get started. Welcome to the new era of video creation with Heygen. Simply type your script to get started.
Little bit robotic. Would you believe it or not? I
Welcome
don't
to
know.
the new era of video creation with Heygen. Simply type your script to get started.
I think right now, I'll say it again, I think Heygen are leading. I really do. I think it's the most realistic. Maybe it's the voices for me. Maybe it is the voices, but and you've got, I could go doctors, nurses, workmen, you know, jeans, suits, it's everything, different cultures, different countries. It would you bother doing it yourself? UGC. Let's have a look at UGC because that's really interesting. So I used to do a lot of ads, not UGC ones. Let's try Ellie.
Hey Ellie5, your instant avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Okay, really, come on. If you saw that, you wouldn't know, would you? Would you? And the thing is now that you can actually upload your this was done. That is a really old video. This was done a long time ago. So yeah, I could probably do that again. It'd be really good. And I've got a model to change to train, which I won't do that. But really, they are so good now. Let's try a all right, we'll try you.
Hey Becca 2, your instant avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Really, so good. So that's Heygen again. How many videos I've created on that? I think it's really cool. There you go, photos to which I've just shown you. Yeah, I know we've probably covered this ground before, and I understand that, but really, it's still so good, and it's getting better. I think the quality now is really to the point where, on a TikTok video flicking past, someone's talking, you probably won't know. You probably won't know. Yeah, the voice is a little bit um clunky, but I bet you could upload your own, your own voice and put it on there. I've got 11 Labs that does my voice. It's going to get very soon that you're not going to know. So there we go. That is Heygen's new 500 avatars, which I think is amazing. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And will I be using this for a sci-fi movie? I don't know yet. The science fiction film has got lots of characters. It may be I use that. I'll be doing some more training on consistent characters next week and look at all the different ways because I'm interested in creating consistent characters. But thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks.